Hey peeps, it's Julian here from Tutoring, and as always, it's such a pleasure to join you. Today we are looking at a Maths Lit, Paper 1, question 1.3 from the 2017 paper, and this question deals with measurement and a little bit of finance. So it says here, Naomi buys a 2-liter bottle of concentrated juice. She adds water to make 14 liters of diluted juice at a total cost of 45 Rand and 95 cents. So she then also wants to serve diluted juice in glasses, and each glass is 0.75 liters. So the first question asks us, so question 1.3.1 is calculate the cost per liter of diluted juice. So to do this, we have to take what the total cost of the 14 liters is. So that's going to be R 44.95 and divided by how many liters this amount cost. So they've told us that 14 liters is 45 Rand 95 cents. So how much is 1 liter? We simply divide by 14. So this you put in your calculator and you can get R 3,2107 blah 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 from your calculator, but obviously we are dealing with rands here, so we only deal with rands and cents, so we have to round this off to our 3 Rand and 21 cents, and that's the answer. And now question 1.3.2 is determine in a simplified form the ratio of the volume of concentrated juice to the volume of water. So we know that she bought a 2-liter bottle of concentrated juice. So we have the ratio we know already is 2 liters. And how much water did she add to this concentration? So she adds water to make 14 liters. So the trick here is that it's telling us that 14 is the total amount of diluted juice. That is the oros plus the water. So if they've told us that they've used 2 liters of oros, or concentrated juice, we then know that the remaining amount of water that must have been added must have been 12. So the ratio is 2 to 12. And you can simplify this, so you divide both sides by 2 so that we can get it in, ratios are always 1 to something. So divide by 2, we're going to get that it's 1 is to obviously 12 divided by 2 is 6. So that's the answer for 1.3.2. And then finally, 1.3.3 asks us to determine the exact number of glasses of diluted juice that can be served. So again, they've told us that 1 glass is 0.175 liters and that we have a total of 14 liters. So to get the number of glasses, this is going to equal the total amount, so that will be 14 liters, divided by the amount per glass, which we know is 0.175 liters. So this, if you put this in your calculator, I get as 80 glasses. And that's the answer for that one. Before I go, I'd just like to give a special thank you to our epic sponsors for making this video possible. Please read all about them in the description below. Be sure to visit our website for more of these epic tutorial videos. And if you can't find the answer to your question, remember you can always send us your question and we will respond with a personalized video just for you. And until next time, stay epic.